are not lazy, your brain is just overstimulated. Every day, short content train your brain to expect dopamine every 5 seconds. Sweep, reward, again and again. And slowly, your attention span gets weaker and weaker. That's why studying feels painful, books feel boring, even if a 10-minute task feels exhausting. This is called dopamine. Your brain is not broken, it is just overloaded. There is the solution how to fix it. First, stop consuming fast content in the morning. The first hour waking up, control your focus for the whole day. Second, let your brain feel boredom again. No phone while eating, no scrolling in the background, no videos in the silent moment because the boredom will focus review. Third, train deep focus slowly. No task, no switching, no notification. Your brain is with repetition. And remember, if you can scroll for 3 hours, you can focus. Your focus is not destroyed, it is trained in the wrong direction.